press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, we solve some miscellaneous problems regarding this chapter. The first problem is 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D are A of 3 minus 1 2, B of 1 2 minus 4 and C of minus 1 1 2. Find coordinates of fourth vertex D. Find coordinates of fourth vertex D. Observe carefully what he has given. 3 consecutive vertices. 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are given. So we draw a parallelogram. A. We write the vertices either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. 3 consecutive vertices. A has given the vertex of A is 3 minus 1 2. It is in space. B also given. B is 1 2 minus 4 and C is minus 1 1 2. C is minus 1 1 2. What he asked? He asked the vertex, fourth vertex D. Coordinate of fourth vertex D. How to solve this one? So we draw the diagonals. Yes, na? We draw the diagonals. No doubt, this point exactly lies the midpoint of AC as well as the midpoint of BD. Diagonals are bisect each other. You know the property of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the diagonals are what? Bisect each other. That means the property of parallelogram, the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So we solve this problem. Given 3 vertex A, B, C, we have to find out fourth vertex. So since midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD, correct? Midpoint of AC is equal to what? Midpoint of BD. So you know already the midpoint formula. So midpoint of AC. So we write the fourth vertex A, B, C. Okay, we write the fourth vertex. We write fourth vertex is A, B, C. Midpoint of AC. So that implies midpoint of AC x1 plus x2 by 2 3 minus plus into minus 1 divided by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 comma 2 plus 2 divided by 2. over midpoint of AC, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. That is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD, 1 plus A divided by 2, 1 plus A divided by 2, 2 plus B divided by 2, minus 4 plus C divided by 2. Midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD. So solve this one. So 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 by 2. 0. Correct? 4 by 2. We written as it is. What? 1 plus A divided by 2. 2 plus B divided by 2. Minus 4 plus C divided by 2. Okay. That implies 2 by 2 is how much? 1, 0. 4 by 2 is how much? 2. That is equal to, written as it is, 1 plus A divided by 2. 2 plus B divided by 2 minus 4 plus C divided by 2. What here? Here we got 2 ordered triplets are equal. This is one ordered triplet. Ordered triplet means in a pair it contains 3 elements. In a pair it contains how many elements? 3 elements. 2 ordered triplet are equal only when 1 is equal to 1 plus A by 2, 0 is equal to 2 plus B by 2, and 2 is equal to minus 4 plus C divided by 2. Solve one by one. We got the values of A, B and C. First value, first one, on cross multiplying, 2 is equal to 1 plus A. Correct na? 2 is equal to what? 1 plus A. So shifted 1 from right side to left side. 2 minus 1 is equal to A. That implies A is equal to what? 1. A is equal to 1. Similarly, second value. On cross multiplying, 0 into 2. 0 into 2 is how much? 0 into 2 is 0. 0 is equal to 2 plus B. Minus 2 is equal to B. B is equal to minus 2. A is equal to B. B is equal to what? B is equal to A. Third value. So on cross multiplying, 2 2s are 4. 4 is equal to minus 4 plus C. So shifted minus 4 from what? Right side to left side. 4 plus 4 is equal to C. So that implies C is equal to 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. C is equal to 8. Hence fourth vertex. Hence fourth vertex. Hence fourth vertex D is, what are those values? 1, minus 2, 8. This is very important problem. If given 3 vertex, I solve by using midpoint formula. So in a parallelogram, midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. We take one more problem. Next one, very important problem. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the centroid. It is very important. Centroid of the triangle. Of the triangle whose vertices are, whose vertices are, so we write the vertices x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Find the, observe carefully, find the coordinates of the centroid. Find the coordinates of the centroid, okay, of the triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. So observe here. First, we draw the triangle. A vertex x1, y1, z1. B vertex x2, y2, z2 and C vertex x3, y3, z3. Okay, so here observe here, the point G, small letter G, we indicate centroid by using an alphabet small letter G. Let G be the centroid. G be the what? Centroid. Centroid. It divides. Here it is AD. It is nothing but a median. Median means D lies. Median means D lies exactly the midpoint of BC. Very important. Let the point A, the length AD is nothing but a median. Median means that point D lies exactly the midpoint of BC. Let G be a centroid. It divides the line joining AD. Very important. It divides the line joining AD in the ratio 2:1. Let G be the centroid. Here it is G be the centroid. It divides the line joining AD. Sorry, AD is what? Sorry, AD is nothing but a median. AD is nothing but what? A median. So median means the point D lies exactly the midpoint of BC. The point D lies exactly what? The midpoint of BC. Let G be the centroid. It divides the line joining AD in the ratio 2:1. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the coordinate of the centroid. We have to find out the coordinate of the what? Centroid. Then how to solve this one? See, observe here. It is a median. It is a median means D is nothing but what? The midpoint of BC. D is nothing but the midpoint of BC. Okay. So since D is the midpoint of BC, that implies the coordinate of D is equal to, using midpoint formula, x2 plus x3 divided by 2, correct? x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2, the last one is z2 plus z3 divided by 2. Since D is lies exactly the midpoint of BC, correct na? D is lies exactly the midpoint of BC. Using midpoint formula, we find out the coordinate of D, correct? The coordinate of D. See, observe here. I draw the line segment once again. Only the line segment what? AD. I draw in here A and D. The coordinates of A are x1, y1, z1. Correct? The coordinates of D. The coordinates of D is, just now we find x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2, and z2 plus what? Z3 divided by 2. Coordinates of D. So here the point centroid G. The point centroid G. Observe carefully. So the G divides the line joining AD in the ratio what? 2:1. G divides line joining AD in the what? 2:1. What is our role? Our role is to find the coordinates of G. Correct now? To find the coordinates of G. So we use which formula? Section formula for internal division. Correct now? So why we use internal division? Because G lies inside of AD. Correct? G lies inside of AD. To find the coordinate of G. To find the coordinate of G, we use what? Section formula for what? Internal division. Okay. So to find the coordinate of G, we use the section formula for internal division. So we know that section formula P of x comma y comma z is equal to, once again I written, m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Correct? M y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n, and m z2 plus n z1 divided by m plus n. Section formula for what? Internal division. That implies G of x comma y comma z. G is nothing but what? Centroid. In place of m is here 2, n is here 1. Okay. So that is equal to, so observe carefully, m x2. These are x1, y1, z1. This is nothing but x2 and y2 and z2. Okay. So okay, m x2, 2 into x2. x2 is what? x2 plus x3 divided by 2. m x2 plus n is what? 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. So x coordinate is over. Correct now? X coordinate is over. Similarly, y coordinate. So y coordinate 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by what? 2 plus 1. Y coordinate is over. Correct? Y coordinate is also over. Similarly, z coordinate 2 into z2 plus z3 divided by 2 plus 1 into z1 divided by what? 2 plus 1. We substitute all the values. Simplified. Here, observe here 2, 2. Here also 2, 2. Here also 2, 2 get cancelled. Centroid. That implies centroid G of x comma y comma z is equal to, centroid G of x comma y comma z is equal to, see, observe here, x2 plus x3 plus x1. So I written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. X coordinate is over. Correct? Similarly, y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Y coordinate is over. Z coordinate z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. This is what? One more formula. The centroid of a triangle ABC. Very important formula. The centroid of a triangle ABC is given by, the centroid of a triangle ABC is given by x1. very important. x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Centroid means in a triangle ABC. Once again I say that in a triangle ABC, AD is nothing but the median, G be the centroid, it divides the line joining AD in the ratio what? 2:1. G be the centroid, it divides the line joining AD is nothing but median, the line joining AD in the ratio 2:1. Then the coordinate of the centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, x coordinate, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, similarly z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Understand? This is also one formula. So what we see, section formula for internal division, external division, midpoint formula, same way the centroid of the triangle is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 are nothing but what? The coordinates of the vertices. Are nothing but what? The coordinates of the vertices. X coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. So we solve regarding this formula. We solve some problems regarding this formula. First problem, find the coordinates of the centroid. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 2, 3, 0, 4, 6, 2, minus 4, minus 6. 2 minus 4 minus 6. Find the what? The coordinates of the centroid. Find the coordinates of the centroid. He has given the vertices. Take A of 1 minus 2 3 is nothing but x1 y1 z1. Correct? B of 0 4 6 is nothing but x2 y2 z2, and C of 2 minus 4 minus 6 is nothing but what? x3 y3 z3. So we know that centroid, the coordinate of centroid, that are written as g of x comma y comma z. Correct now? G of x comma y comma z, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Correct? y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Similarly, z coordinate z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Substitute all the values. That implies G is equal to, means centroid is equal to, x1 is what? 1 plus x2 is what? 0 plus x3 is what? 2. 1 plus 0 plus 2 divided by 3. X coordinate is over. Y coordinate minus 2 plus 4 plus of minus 4 divided by 3. Y coordinate is over. Z coordinate 3 plus 6 plus minus 6 divided by 3. Solve it. That is equal to, that implies G is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 by 3. First one. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Minus 2 by 3. Plus 6, minus 6 get cancelled. 3 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 3 is how much? 1 minus 2 by 3, 1. So the coordinate of the centroid for the given vertices is 1 minus 2 by 3 and 1. Understand? Here it is very important. We solve another type of problem regarding this formula. Observe here, very important. The centroid of a triangle ABC. The centroid of a triangle ABC is at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. First of all, if the coordinates of A and B are 3, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 7, minus 6 respectively. Find the coordinates of a point C. Find the coordinates of a what? Point C. Observe carefully. What he has given? The centroid of a triangle ABC is at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Correct? Means given G of x comma y comma z is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Yes, the centroid of a triangle ABC is what? 1 comma 1 comma 1. That means G of x comma y comma z is 1 comma 1 comma 1. If the coordinates of A and B, he has also given the coordinates of A of x1, y1, z1, that also given 3, minus 5, 7, and B of x2, y2, z2. It is minus 1, 7, minus 6. See, observe here, coordinates of A and B. Then what he asked? He asked, find the coordinates of the point C. So let we write C of x3, y3, z3 is nothing but A, B, C. We have to find out the coordinates of the point what? C. Okay, for that we know that G of x comma y comma z is equal to centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Right below, z coordinate z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. the coordinates of the centroid. Substitute all these values. Substitute all these values. That implies g of x comma y comma z is nothing but what? 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to x1, it is what? 3 plus into minus 1 plus a divided by 3. Similarly, y coordinate is minus 5 plus 7 plus b divided by 3. Similarly, z coordinate 7 minus 6 plus c divided by 3. Correct? So x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Equating first x coordinate. Alright, here equating first x coordinate, first one x coordinate we have to equate. 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 plus a divided by 3. Correct? On cross multiplying, 3 is equal to 2 plus a. 3 minus 2 is equal to a. What is the value of a? A is 1. We got a. Similarly, equate y coordinate. Equate y coordinate. 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 7 is how much? 2. 2 plus b divided by 3. So 3 is equal to 2 plus b. So 3 minus 2 is equal to b. b is equal to 1. Similarly, z coordinate. 1 is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is how much? 1 plus c divided by 3. So 3 is equal to 1 plus c. 3 minus 1 is equal to c. That implies c is equal to 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So hence third coordinate, the point c. Hence the point c. That implies the point C is what? 1, 1, 2. It is very important concept. The point C is what? 1, 1, 2. Correct? The point C is 1, 1, 2. We solve one more problem regarding of this type. Okay. If the origin, observe here, if the origin is the centroid, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with vertices P of 2a, 2, 6, Q of minus 4, 3b, minus 10, and R of 8, 14, 2c. 8, 14, 2c. Then what we do here? Then find the values of small letter a, b, and c. Find the values of a, b, and c. Observe the problem carefully. What is given? If the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR, that means given g of x comma y comma z is nothing but what? The centroid 0 comma 0 comma 0. The coordinate of origin, you know, the coordinate of origin in space is 0, 0, 0. And vertices are given. P of 2a, 2, 6. This is nothing but we written as x1, y1, z1. Okay. Then q of minus 4, 3b, minus 10. That we written as x2, y2, z2. And lastly r of 8, 14, 2c. That we can written as x3, y3, z3. Okay, we know that centroid of a triangle G of x, y, z. G of x, y, z is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3, correct, divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Similarly, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Correct? We substitute all the values. So 0, 0, 0, that implies 0, 0, 0 is equal to x1. x1 is what? 2a plus x2 minus 4 plus into minus minus 4, x3 plus 8 divided by 3. X coordinate is over. Y coordinate 2 plus y2 3b plus 14 divided by 3. Y coordinate is over, correct? Y coordinate is over. Z coordinate 6 plus into minus minus 10 plus 2c divided by 3. We substitute all the values. Same method. We equate first x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. First one, to find the values of a, b and c, correct? To find the values of a, b and c, first we equate x coordinates. 0 is equal to 2a minus 4 plus 8. It becomes plus 4 divided by 3. On cross multiplying, 0 into 3 is 0 is equal to 2a plus 4. Plus 4 we shift from right side to left side. It becomes minus 4 is equal to 2a. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That implies the value of a is what? Minus 2. The value of a is minus 2. Correct? Similarly, we equate the y coordinate. 0 is equal to 2 plus 14. 2 plus 14 is how much? 16 plus 3b divided by 3. Cross multiplying 0 into 3 is 0 is equal to 16 plus 3b, correct? 16 plus 3b plus 16 from right side to left side, it becomes minus 16 is equal to 3b. That implies b is equal to minus 16 divided by 3. Minus 16 divided by 3, correct? So 2 plus 3b plus 14. Third one, the value of c. So equating z coordinate, 0 is equal to 6 minus 10 minus 4 plus 2c divided by 3, correct? 2c divided by 3. Cross multiplying, 0 is equal to minus 4 plus 2c. Minus 4 from right side to left side, it becomes plus 4. 4 is equal to 2c. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That implies c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. See, observe here. So we are equating the coordinate of x1. x1 is 2a, x2 is minus 4, x3 is 8. First point is over. y1 is 2, 3b, 14. Y coordinate is over. z1, 6 minus 10 plus 2c. Equating x coordinate, we got the a value. Equating y coordinate, we got b value, and similarly equating z coordinate, we got the value c. Correct? So the values of that implies, I write here, the values of a, b and c are a is equal to 2, minus 2, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 16 by 3, and c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. This is also very important problem. I think you are understanding very properly. Yes, na? So we take one more problem. Next one. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of a point on y-axis. Very important. Find the coordinates of a point on y-axis which are at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point P of 3 minus 2 5. From the point P of 3 minus 2 5. Observe carefully. Find the coordinates of a point. Find the coordinates of a point. That point lies on y-axis. We discussed in the first class. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0, z coordinate is 0. We return the point Q. Q lies on, since, write it out, since Q lies on y-axis, that implies the coordinate of Q is, since it is lies on y-axis, coordinate of Q, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate we return as y, okay, z coordinate is 0, correct, z coordinate is 0, this is the point Q. What we do here, we have to find out the value of y. For that, observe next, it is at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point P, that means given PQ is equal to 5 root 2, correct, distance from, yes na, distance from P to Q is 5 root 2. That implies using distance formula, P point here given, P point is what, 3 minus 2 5, Q point 0 y 0, PQ distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus 3 whole square, correct, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y minus of minus plus 2 whole square, plus z2 minus z1 whole square, 0 minus 5 whole square, 0 minus 5 whole square is equal to what, 5 root 2, correct, 0 minus 5 whole square is equal to what, 5 root 2. Then how to solve this one? So first we remove the square root. For that what we do, squaring on both sides, correct na, squaring on both sides. So 0 minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to, yes, here what, 5 square is 25, squares could get cancelled into 2, correct, 5 square 25 into squares could get cancelled into 2, okay. So solve this one. I written here, that implies minus 3 square is how much, 9. It is of the form a plus b whole square, a square y square plus b square, 2 square is 4 plus 2ab, 2 2s are 4, 4y, correct, plus 25 is equal to, 25 into 2 is how much, 50, Okay, y square plus 4y, y square plus 4y. Then 25 plus 4, how much? 29. 29 plus 9, 38. Correct now? 25 plus 4, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 50. Y square plus 4y plus 38 minus 50 is equal to 0. So y square plus 4y, 38 minus 50, how much? Correct? 12 is equal to 0. It is nothing but a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation. Factorize it. How to factorize? Y square plus 6y, correct, minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. If you add these two, it becomes 4y. If you multiply these two, 6y into minus 2y, 12y, that is nothing but AC. So here y we take common, y plus 6, correct, and here minus 2 is common, y plus 6 is equal to 0. In these two terms, we take y plus 6 is common. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. A into B is equal to 0. That implies A is equal to 0. Y plus 6 is equal to 0. That implies Y is equal to minus 6. Or B is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies Y is equal to 2. Then that implies the point Q, first one. What? 0 comma minus 6 comma 0, or second one 0 comma 2 comma 0. Yes, 0 comma minus 6 comma 0 or 0 comma 2 comma 0. Understand? Okay, we solve one more problem. Show that the points A of 1, 2, 3, comma, B of minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, C of 2, 3, 2, and D of 4, 7, 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram, are the vertices of a parallelogram, but it is not a rectangle. It is not a what? Rectangle. See that these 4 points are nothing but, first what we show? We have to show that these 4 points are nothing but the vertices of a parallelogram. We discussed, I think, in the distance between 2 points. But it is not a rectangle. Okay, firstly we draw a parallelogram. In that we write the coordinates or the points either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So A point is 1, 2, 3. B point is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. C point 2, 3, 2. D point 4, 7, 6. So to prove it is a parallelogram, what we do? Opposite sides are equal. Correct? Using distance formula, what you have to prove? We prove opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to what? BC. This is first one. If this condition satisfies, means distance from AB is equal to distance from DC and distance from AD is equal to distance from BC. If this condition satisfies, ABCD is a parallelogram. First condition open. Correct? One more condition is there, but it is not a rectangle. For that, what we have to check? We find the diagonal AC as well as the diagonal BD. Okay, we also find, to prove it is not a rectangle, what we do? We have to find out the diagonal AC as well as the diagonal BD. If the diagonal AC is not equal to the diagonal BD, okay, the diagonal AC, that means distance from A to C. Distance from A to C is not equal to distance from B to D. If this condition satisfies, ABCD is not a rectangle. Understand? Got my point? If diagonals are similar, means the distance from AC is equal to distance from BD. If it is equal, same value, then ABCD is a rectangle. Firstly, we prove opposite sides are equal. Then we find the diagonals AC as well as BD. If this exists, means AC is not equal to BD, then we say that ABCD is a parallelogram, but it is not a rectangle. Check one by one. First, we check whether it is a parallelogram or not. For that, we find the opposite sides. First, AB, square root of, using distance formula, 1 minus 1, minus of means 1 plus 1 whole square, plus 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, plus 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 1 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. 2 square is 4 plus 16 plus 16. Correct? So root 36, it is 6. EB is equal to 6. Okay. Second one, DC. Square root of DC. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is how much? 2 square. Plus 7 minus 3 is how much? 4 square. Plus 4 square. Again it is 4 plus 16 plus 16. It is 36. That is equal to 6. So here AB is equal to 6. DC is equal to 6. First opposite side is equal. Correct? Next. Similarly, we check the other two opposite sides. The other two opposite sides are AD. Square root of AD. A to D. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. Correct? 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 3 square 9. 34, 43. Correct? 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is what? 34. 34 plus 9 is 43. AD is equal to square root of 43. AD is equal to square root of 43. We check BC. Square root of B to C. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Correct? Plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus what? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square plus of minus 5 whole square plus of minus 3 whole square. So minus 3 whole square is how much? 9 plus 25 plus 9. Again it is what? Root 43. And then what is the conclusion? Observe carefully. Root 43. Observe carefully. Opposite sides are equal. Yes, the conclusion. AB is equal to DC is equal to 6. First one, opposite side. And AD is equal to BC is equal to root 43. Opposite sides are equal. That implies ABCD is a what? Parallelogram. First one is over. ABCD is a what? Parallelogram. First one is over. One more question he asked. To show that this ABCD is not a rectangle. For that, what we do? We find the diagonals. First diagonal, AC. Square root of 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 whole square. Calculate it. Square root of 1 minus 2 whole square, it is nothing but what? Minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? It is root 3. Diagonal of AC. Diagonal of AC is root 3. Similarly, we find the diagonal of BD. Diagonal of BD. Minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus of minus 2 minus 7 whole square plus of minus 1 minus 6 whole square. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 7 minus 1 minus 6. Okay, that is equal to square root of minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus of minus 9 whole square plus of minus 7 whole square. Calculate it. So how much? 25 plus 81 plus 49. Correct. 49. 81 plus 49. How much? 81 plus 49. 120. Correct? Not 120, 130. 130 plus 25. 155. That is equal to square root of 155. Observe carefully. That implies AC is not equal to what? BD. AC is what? Not equal to BD. If AC is not equal to BD, that implies ABCD is not a rectangle. Very important condition. If the diagonal is same, ABCD is a rectangle. If the diagonal is not same, ABCD is not a rectangle. Yes, na? Understand? Okay. We solve one more problem. Observe here. Find the length. Find the length of the median. Medians of the triangle with vertices. With vertices A of 0, 0, 6, comma, B of 0, 4, 0 and C of 6, 0, 0. Find the length of the medians. Observe carefully. Find the length of the medians of the triangle with vertices. So we draw the triangle here. Given A vertex 0, 0, 6, B 0, 4, 0, C 6, 0, 0. What we do here? We have to find out length of the median. First, we find out the length of the median through the vertex D. AD. Median means the D point lies exactly the midpoint of BC. This is first one. Through the vertex BE. E point lies exactly the midpoint of AC. We find similarly the length of the vertex through C. F lies exactly the midpoint of AB. Okay, first, number 1. First one. Length of the median through the vertex A. Length of the median through the vertex A. Okay. So through the vertex A. So that is nothing, that is what? AD. Okay. Distance from what? A to B. Distance from AD. Since D is midpoint of BC, correct now? D lies exactly the midpoint of BC. Then the coordinate of D x1 plus x2, 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Okay, so 6 by 2 is how much? 3. 4 by 2 is how much? 2. 0 by 2, 0. Coordinate of D is 3, 2, 0. And coordinate of A is what? 0, 0, 6. Find out AD. Find out A to D. Square root of, using distance formula, 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. Calculate it. 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4 plus 6 square 36. 36 plus 4 40. 40 plus 9 49. It is 7. So length of the median, that implies length of the median AD is equal to 7. First one is over. We find length of the median through the vertex, that is AD. AD is equal to how much? AD is equal to 7. First point is over. This is over. Similarly, what we have to find out? The length of the median through the vertex B. Okay, next. Second one. Second one. Length of the median through the vertex B, that is BE, B to E. Since E is the midpoint of what? AC. Correct now. E is the midpoint of AC. That implies the coordinate of E using midpoint formula 0 plus 6 divided by 2. 0 plus 6 divided by 2. 0 plus 0 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 0 divided by 2. That is 6 by 2 is how much? 3. 0, 3. The coordinate of E is 3, 0, 3. Okay. Then here B coordinate is also given 0, 4, 0. Find out BE, length of the median, that is BE, square root of 0 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to square root of 0 minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 16 plus 9. How much? 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. That means the length of the median BE is equal to what? Root 34. Length of the median through the vertex B, that is nothing but what? BE. BE is equal to what? Root 34. This is over. Third one. Length of the median through the vertex C. Through the vertex C. Okay. Through the vertex C. Since F is the midpoint of AB, midpoint of what? AB. That implies the coordinate of F. The coordinate of F 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0 plus 4 divided by 2. 6 plus 0 divided by 2. That is F is equal to 0, 2, 3. And coordinate of C is given 6, 0, 0. Okay. So the length of the median to the vertex C means CF. CF square root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. 6 square is how much? 36 plus 4 plus 9. Correct? So it is 49. See, 7. The length of the median through the vertex C, CF is nothing but 7. Understand? This is the method. So this completes this chapter, means 3-dimensional geometry. Thank you.